Minister? How many times the LO has met the Honorable Home Minister?
I've not had the opportunity
Please
to meet
reply.
because I'm
if
just
you are
an
serious
MLA.
about ILP, how many
I
times
know
have
you are
met?
not serious.
Fluid ke je kren menta hapo jong ka ying Dorbar Assembly halor ka mat jong ka ILP haga ba naga liang jo ba Ardent milar ba sayo moy bat uchim minister jo ka jala ukorat ke sangma kelia poi hadu uput banya kedukti halor jong ka mat kani ka je kedukti ka je hadin ba uba Ardent ulabu jingli ya ka sorkar halor jo ka jing sakut jong ka mat jong ka ILP kapala wanra ada ka official resolution ha ubnai December 2006 ka khandai ba hadu menta kam semla 3 kam satia hanrai naga liang jo chief minister ukorat ke sangma ulo ong ba naga por sa kapor kala yo bani kendu bar home minister jongri u Amit Shah halor jongri gamat hanrai nagaliang jo home minister joguri lo ong ba halor jogri gamat ondang pekchwa kumno ka jinglong jingman la hatu on INM ya ka ILP hapo jo ka jala meglia kumta ga dei ga ne ga penlong ye kini arngut ba kenya pen inia wei hadin jong wei pat bat ban ya kedukti pramaki kat hadu bakala penlong yu lampang baun haban Pynwai no Shipor ya ga mat jo ka ILP la wanra do MLA jong ka soyong uba roy ku par senram badil don ru sibun ke blayok mane simenta lingba jong ga mat jong ka ILP menta gesni ka khat pratorik jong ta unai ki ba kentup na du unoyalam jo ka leng persya u Dr Mukul Sangma uba Paul Lingdo uba Ardent bat ki wei ki layok mane kran halor jong ga phang.
The Chief Minister has replied, but and according to his explanation, sir, we can understand, we can come to the conclusion that the government is not at all serious with the issue of ILP. So, let me justify and substantiate. The government is examining. When the government is examining, the ILP that means it is a continuous process. How long it will take? And this very House had passed a resolution. When was the resolution passed? Till today, we are yet to see the light of the day, sir. You give me time because this is very
I've given
important.
so much time.
But let me express, sir. The problem that we are facing, why the state wants ILP? Let all here be clear. Why the state wants ILP? Because the contribution to the influx into the state of Meghalaya doesn't come only from the foreigners. It comes from outsiders outside the state of Meghalaya. So, which is why we feel that ILP is the best mechanism. Whether you like it or not, this Immigration and Foreigners Act 2025 will be made applicable. Because this, as has been rightly said by the leader of the House, is not a new law. It is only a modernization where India has adopted by consolidating 4 colonial era laws. So this is not a new law. This law was not made to prevent the influx in Meghalaya. This law was made to tackle the foreigners coming to India. So we are facing a very peculiar situation where the influx contributing to the state of Meghalaya comes from the foreign country and also from other states of India.
Question,
so which is why even the constitution, because they used to say no, it violates the constitution, Article 19, freedom to travel to any part. So my question is that, my question is that I would like, a sincere reply from the government, whether the government is playing with the sentiment of the people as far as ILP is concerned.
Sir, we have written, and I have written letters to the Honorable Home Minister multiple times on the ILP. I have met the Honorable Home Minister and the Honorable Prime Minister multiple times on the ILP. I would like to know how many times have the Honorable Member met the Home Minister? How many times the LO has met the Honorable Home Minister?
I've not had the opportunity
Please
to meet
reply.
because I'm
if
just
you are
an
serious
MLA.
about ILP, how many
I
times
know
have
you are
met?
not serious.
How many times have you met?
If you are
How many
serious,
times have you met?
if you are serious,
how many times have you met?
really serious.
How
If you
many
are serious,